welcome back to the channel. I am back with another video. So today I will be pranking Jamari. Something a little light or whatever, you know, I just came up with it. So I don't know if y'all know, but I am a pet sitter. So I do that like this little side job or whatever because I love dogs so much. I've never pet sit a cat, but no, I don't think I will. So today, look who I have with me. Pepe, say hey to the people. So anyways, y'all, so I got little Pepe with me, and me and Jamari have been talking about getting a little doggy or whatever. So I'm gonna just do a little prank on him. I'm gonna just let him know, hey, look, I've been trying to surprise you with this. I didn't know if you was gonna do this before I did it, but I had to get a little dog that was gonna be right in between what me and him wanted. So I'm gonna just be like, hey, this is our little dog. Somebody gave him to me, or I bought him. I don't know what I'm gonna say yet, but let's see if he believes it because he knows I'm a pet sitter. So that's if he believes me. Hopefully that's not a fail, but I'm gonna try to keep it going until tomorrow, and then when he sees the dog is gone, I'm gonna just be like somebody stole the dog or something like that. I don't know, something like that. I'm gonna get creative. Stay tuned for the rest of the video because it's about to be good. It's about to be real good. He's so cute. I wish he were mine. I wish he were mine, Pepe. Oh my goodness, you're so adorable. Look in the camera. Look at him. Oh, get it, Pepe. Get it, Pepe. Go, Pepe. Go. Yes, get it. Okay, I'll tell you when to close them. I got a surprise for Jamari.
You know what it is?
No, I didn't tell her.
Bro, I know what it is.
No, you don't. No, you don't. Where you going, Champagne? Where's she going? Where do you think you're going? Yeah, really quick. Yes, of course. I'm gonna close your eyes now. Close your eyes now. Close your eyes now. Oh, come on. No, she has no idea. I didn't tell anybody. I kept the secrets. I'm gonna tell you. Oh, step up.
What kind of dog is this?
Say hi.
Oh my God!
He's so cute.
You pet sitting this dog?
No, this is our dog for real.
Where'd you get this dog from?
Mind your business.
Huh? What kind of dog is this?
A Boston Terrier.
Where you get the dog
Look, he's
from?
humping the pillow. Look. Oh, get it.
Oh.
Get it. You like him? 12 weeks.
Oh,
Yeah. What do you have on his socks? Oh, the first one. What do you think? You like him?
hi, cutie.
Will Champagne bite him?
They won't bite. She don't bite.
He's like, no, Champagne, he don't have any food. He can eat Champagne.
Okay, so now y'all gotta pay all the pet deposit and all that stuff when you get
Yeah.
that we were just going through.
Do you think? Oh, Champagne, you don't like her? No, he don't like other dogs. She don't
No,
like
she
other dogs.
fine.
Oh, okay, come on.
She jealous.
I don't think it's
She
a
wanna
boy.
play. It's a what?
It's a boy. Oh, okay. Dogs, boys hump everything.
Yeah, until they get spayed. You gotta get it neutered or whatever they do.
Dog.
Do you want?
You don't like him? He's cute. Oh my God, Jamari does not like him.
He's not gonna get that big. What you think, Jamari? Like it?
Oh, no, I gotta get used to it.
I'm all out of love. What am I without you? I can't be.
Get used to it.
Start peeing all over.
I think he's so cute. I
How
feel like
old
he's
is
right
he?
in the middle of what we both want. 12 weeks. He's a baby.
Yeah. Champagne wants to play.
He stayed with me all day at work.
See?
Oh.
She just want to play. She's not gonna bite it or anything. See, she just want to play. And Pay love to play.
Oh my gosh, she really wants to play. Hold her, hold him. I think she's scared. I mean, he's scared. How you feel? Tell him how you feel. A whole dog. Did you think this? You did, huh?
No, I thought you got the video.
A video game?
Yeah.
Walking you to the car?
Yeah, because you get it like that. What we gonna do?
He going on there. Oh, the collar. Take the collar off.
Oh, that's you guys got a dog. That's who you keep it.
No, it's our dog.
You guys got a dog.
Yeah, that's what I was surprising him with.
You got a dog. Well, hello there. How you doing? These kind of ones. Well, I'll beat your ass. And here's my little thing to beat it with. Hi. What's his name?
Nothing.
Jamari got a name in it.
Oh, it's a boy.
Yeah, it's a boy.
Oh, I don't want to see no more dogs.
Okay, come see your brother now.
Look at that. Oh my God.
No.
Well, that's your auntie. No.
Yeah.
That's your auntie.
Come on. Come on. Oh, he's scared.
See you later. Bye-bye. See you later. I finally got grandchild.
Oh my God. Y'all, I feel so bad. Look. I still have the prank going. All right, this is becoming very cruel. I feel like he's gonna be so mad at me when we get home. But it's Team Kim all the way. Like, no joke. Like, I really did this. Like, he really posted on Instagram, new names, please. Suggestions. I don't know what to do. He's probably gonna cry. He was like, oh, we gotta train him to do this, train him to do that. Oh, I feel terrible. Oh my God. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to say. That's just so mean of me. Yo. I definitely got the W. I got the W. But he is going to be so sad when I tell him. Oh my gosh, Boo Boo. How are we gonna tell them that you're a part of the prank? I think I went too hard on this first one. I should have went light on him. It's too late now. If you have not done so yet, while I'm remembering, because I never say this in the beginning, smash the like button, smash that subscribe button, because Kim, yeah, I really did it this time.
For what?
One life. You know, he not just mixed with Boston Terrier. He mixed with Prank Dog.
Who?
Prank Dog? You don't think it's a breed?
A prank dog? What's this dog called? A prank dog.
What'd she say?
Ain't no dog called no prank dog. What, this is a babysit dog?
This is a prank.
This is a babysit dog?
Yes.
Oh, you I could beat your ass.
I got you, huh?
Ah.
I honestly feel bad. I'm sorry.
Ah, you pranked everybody though.
I didn't mean to.
You should have told.
I did not mean to.
Damn.
I didn't mean to, honestly.
This is a Rover dog?
Yeah.
Oh, come here. What's the dog's name?
Peppy. Love you.
So it was Peppy. So I told everybody that's my dog. Oh, I hate you! Now I gotta say I sold the dog.
You gotta say it like that, or you gotta say Kim pranked you.
Nope.
That's all you gotta say. Why not?
Come here, dog. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you real good.
No, please. No, you can't get me. You gotta say Team Kim though with the W.
I'm gonna
For
get you
real.
though. No, forget that. I already know
Come
what I'm
on,
gonna do.
please, please.
Nah, I already know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna
You
hit up
gotta
my
say it.
plugs. Nah, it's a wrap.
You
won.
gotta say it. I
got
won.
me.
That was a W, huh?
But I'm gonna get you.
I wish you were ours. You got attached, huh?
Nope.
Yeah, you did. Don't lie. Don't
No.
lie. You did.
No, come here, little.
But now I know. This was honestly a test to know, like, if I did surprise you with a dog, you'd be okay with it and not mad. I'm literally kind of sad, though. Just break your heart a little bit.
Yeah, we can't talk for a tonight.
Kim with the W. Kim with the W. He don't like me right now, but no, don't say that. And no F-bombs and no cuss words on this channel. You can't be a sore loser.
You know I'm a sore loser.
You can't be a sore loser right
And I'm
now.
gonna get you back. I can't. Ooh, I can't wait.
But I won.
Whatever.
Yes, it's the beginning of this war. But anyways, we'll catch y'all in the next video. But you gotta say Team
I
Kim.
don't say nothing.
Say it now.
Nope. Already said it. I won't say it
Oh,
again.
look.
Goodbye, people. Get the camera out my face.
Oh, look how cute. Anyways, he's a soul loser. Bye, y'all.